just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Nikki and today I'm here with my January IPSY. If you're wondering what this is, on the outside it says caution, keep package away from direct sunlight. Right away I'm going to give my honest opinion. I hate the bag. I think it's stupid. I hate the fabric. It feels like a swimsuit or a swim bag when you were like 3. It's just, I hate it. It's not, these colors don't go good together in my mind. It's just like, I don't know. It's like rave explosion. I don't know. It's just, I don't like it. Not my style. And the bag's bright neon on the inside. And I'm a very black and white person, so like, this neon's a little much. I don't know. I did not know my favorite bag in the world. The first thing I have in here is the Dirty Little Secrets eyeshadow in Sangria, and it's like this maroon color. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is the, I'm not even gonna try. Nope. It's the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I'm just gonna, how do you spray this? Is it like locked or something? Oh my god! Ooh, that's nice. Wait, hold on a second. That smells good. It doesn't leave like a haze of a color at all. It doesn't leave like a white or like, what the heck? That is cool. That smells good. It honestly smells like hairspray. The next thing I have in here is this Glow for a Cause body butter in Dream, and it's okay. I can't use any like body lotion because I have such bad eczema.
You got eczema?
Like I literally can't even use normal soap, let alone like a body butter, so I don't know, it's kind of like whatever. Guess it can be a hand cream if I just don't get it, if I only use it on the palms, just like, yep. The next thing in here is the FARHA brushes, double-sided tweezers, and this is like, I have never seen a double-sided tweezer, and that is so cool. Like, there's the pointy and there's also like the angled end. I need tweezers too. Like, I've had the same like dull, crappy tweezers like literally since I was in like 5th grade, so I've never like went out and bought tweezers and I really needed them, so this is actually very useful. I'm very happy I got that. And my last thing in my bag is the NYX Lingerie Professional Makeup Lipstick. It's like a liquid lipstick. I've been wanting to try the lingerie one forever, so like super glad I got it. It's on my lips right now. I think it's really cute. It feels really good too. Like, yeah, it doesn't feel cracky. It's very smooth. It transfers, no, not really. No, it doesn't really transfer at all. That's awesome. That's a 10 out of 10 for me. Yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Love you guys, and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below. And the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though